In this session, let's look at a new Selenium 4 feature to minimize the browser. We can always minimize the browser, but this feature is built into Selenium. The other ways were to set the position of a window and to use the robot class. Personally, I like to watch the automation of our test scripts in the browser, but if you have a requirement for minimizing the browser, then this will help you out. Also, if you're interested in more videos, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. Also follow me on Twitter, connect with me on LinkedIn and Facebook. We are going to use this Orange HRM site by entering the username, password, and clicking the button. Username is admin. Password is admin123. Inspect the username. It shows txtUsername as the value for ID. Inspect the password. It shows txtPassword as the value for ID. Now let's inspect the button. It shows btnLogin as the value for ID. To use the robot class, we select Alt space, and do you see minimize? That's how we minimize using the robot class. Oh, by the way, this minimize feature became available in Selenium 4 Alpha 5. So far, this test script is set up to load Chrome driver and to load the AUT. Now we enter the add test annotation. Public void minimize using new feature. Import the test annotation from test.ng. Now we write driver manage window. Normally we select maximize, but here's minimize. Enter the username by writing driver.findElement by ID. The value for ID will be txtUsername. And the keys we send will be admin. Enter the password by writing driver.findElement by ID. The value for password is txtPassword. And the keys will be send, keys will be admin123. Next is to click the button by writing driver.findElement by ID. And the button password is btnLogin. And we click the button. Let's run. It passed in 3.922 seconds. That's pretty fast. I've seen it run faster with minimize and also seen it run faster with maximize. Let's run it with maximize and see what happens. At test public void maximize. By typing maximize window. Copy this code from minimize and paste it. And change minimize to maximize. Let me do that one more time. How about just write it? driver.manage.window.maximize and run. Maximize executed in 3.556 seconds. Now, let's minimize the browser by setting the position and using the robot class. Starting with the set position, we write at test, public, void, minimize using set position. Driver dot manage dot window dot set position. Now we write new point. At this time, we write negative 2000 for the X coordinate and 0 for the Y coordinate. Import point from the Selenium package. Point is a Selenium class that's a copy of Java's AWT point package. It removes the dependency of AWT. Copy and paste the same code. Now we finished with the set position test. Now is a robot class. At test, public, void. Minimize using robot class. Robot equals new robot, which is the constructor. Import robot from java.awt, then add the throws declaration. Yes. Select AWT exception, but we can also select exception. Give us more room. First, we press the Alt key by entering robot dot key press key event dot vk underscore ALT. Bingo. Now we press the space key by entering robot dot key press key event dot vk underscore space. Next is the end key. So now we write robot dot key press key event dot vk underscore end. So now we have to release the keys. We press the keys here. Now we have to release the keys. So I'm going to copy these three statements and I'm going to change key press to key release. And that's it. So let me, there we go. Press to release. For the last time, change press to release. Now, let's run all 4 of the methods. Minimize robot class, set position, maximize window, and minimize using new feature. Run all. We see the time for each test script, and it looks like robot class was the fastest. This time it showed maximize second, minimize third, and minimize using set position as the last for speed. That's it for minimizing the browser using new feature for Selenium. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next session.
Books available in paperback, ebook, and PDF. All Part 1 ebooks and PDF documents are free. Programming books for UFT. Programming books for Java. Here's the Selenium automation book. And TestNG. Subscribe to get notification of future videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.